trip to Italy.
Escalator tunnel.
Santa Maria del Fiore.
Yep, escalator tunnel. Woo.
This would be a nice shot.
It's alright. Taking over the world one country at a time. Where's Harry? Italians are weird. A monk shopping. Don't see that every day. Shopping for monk stuff. There's not a statue.
Il biglietto l'altra volta.
Siete dei nostri? Andiamo,
Dai, Flavia, andiamo.
So here we are at yet another church.
Oh yes.
No video on that. Monk giving a tour. We had to wear these because we were too damn sexy for a church. Twinsies! Be careful not to provoke it. It's very aggressive. Waiting in the bathroom for Amanda. I had to bring my own toilet paper because I ran out. Most confusing bathroom ever! Just want to jump right on in there. So hot! Saw that step on the ground. It was just littered everywhere. This sucks.
Yes.
It's the like turn us coming down the road.
Naked. So cute. We're back. And they're cute as ever.
And they still hate us.